Android Auto lets you enhance your digital lifestyle in a way that maximizes enjoyment and minimizes distractions. This standard technology lets you access your compatible Android phone's content like music, contacts, text messages, and maps, all on the Chevrolet MyLink touchscreen. To sync your phone to Android Auto, you'll need a few items. First, an Android-compatible phone running Lollipop 5.0 or higher, the Android Auto app that can be downloaded from Google Play, and your phone's USB cable. To configure your Android phone, the setup must be done while the vehicle is in park. Make sure Android Auto is turned on in the Chevrolet MyLink settings. You can check this by selecting Settings on the home page. Then select Android Auto and make sure it says Android Auto on. If it's off, just tap it. Now, unlock your compatible Android phone and plug in the USB cable to your phone and to the USB connector. The first time you connect, you may need to accept or allow Android Auto to connect to the MyLink system. Make sure to check your phone for a message asking for access to your contacts and phone log, and press Allow. MyLink will then recognize your device and change the projection icon to Android Auto. Press the icon and the Android Auto home screen appears so you can quickly and easily access all the features. So let's place a call using Android Auto or the MyLink touchscreen. To place a call, press the microphone button, or press and hold the push-to-talk button, wait for the beep, then say the person's name if it's already in your contact list. Call John Smith.
Calling John Smith, mobile.
Hey Mike, what's up?
Just testing out Android Auto on my new Chevrolet Equinox.
Cool. You gotta bring it by one of these days.
I will. See you later. When you're finished, tap the phone disconnect button on the steering wheel. Or tap the icon on the touchscreen to return to the home screen. Then press the phone icon and the menu icon to check for voicemail, call history, or any missed calls. You can also hear your text and reply with your voice. You'll receive an alert on the Android Auto screen if you get a text message. To hear it, tap the message. Google will read it to you.
Here's the message. Hey Mike, you want to go to the baseball game on Saturday?
Reply to this message.
What's the message?
That sounds like a great idea.
Here's your text to John Smith. That sounds like a great idea. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay. Message sent.
Or if you choose not to give a response, change it from mute to I'm driving right now and tap the arrow to send. Getting directions is just as easy too. Give a long press on the push to talk button or microphone icon, wait for a beep, and ask for an address or destination. Find a nearby park.
Showing results for find a nearby park.
You'll receive all available locations, and when you select one, your route will be mapped out with turn-by-turn directions. If you want more options, press the menu icon and Android Auto will provide destinations by places, categories, and traffic conditions. You can listen to your own music with Android Auto by pressing either the push-to-talk button or the microphone icon. Just wait for the beep and say play and the name of the song or artist. Play Time to Drive.
Playing Time to Drive.
If you're using Google Play Music, pressing the menu icon will let you choose from radio, recent activity, playlist, and queue. Android Auto can also give you general information such as sports scores or weather forecasts for any city with a long press on the steering wheel's push-to-talk button or selecting the microphone icon. What's the weather in Chicago?
It's currently 39 degrees and mostly cloudy in Chicago. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 41 degrees and a low of 23 degrees.
Anytime Android Auto is being used, pressing the MyLink Home button lets you access the infotainment menus and settings. Visit the Android Auto website to see which apps are supported for Android Auto on Google Play. Staying connected with your Android Auto is just another reason to love your Chevrolet vehicle.